guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is our last day in Lisbon. I have mixed feelings. I am excited because we're going to another place. We're going to Portimao, which is on the coast, which is next to the beach, so that's a different experience. But I will also miss the city of Lisbon because it has been an awesome experience. So we leave tomorrow on the train to Portimao. But before I leave, I am going to do my hair. I'm going to a salon it's also in Lisbon, but in a different area. I don't know, I'm trusting Google to take me there. So I'm gonna take the bus and go there. But Hannah and David are going to the aquarium. So it's this massive aquarium here in Lisbon, and they're gonna experience it. I'm gonna miss it, but it's okay. I'm fine. My hair is more important. So I'm gonna miss it, but I'll show you some pictures of it. So I invite you to journey with me to this place where I'm going. I can't pronounce the name and I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna take the bus now, so journey with me. Let's do it. Hi guys, I'm back. I just got my hair done and I'm loving it. I really love it. These guys really know how to do hair. But that was an experience within itself. The salon was clean and everything, but them rough. Then deal with your hair rough, then deal with your rough, and I don't think they really care too much about hair. I'm about caring for your hair, because they put on one piece of heat in my head, and anyways, but I like the hair. The corner is very neat and shiny. I'm at the bus stop waiting for the bus to meet Hannah and David again, and then we're going for dinner. I want to talk about my trip to the salon and my experience at the salon. And I have a list because I tend to forget things, right? So I don't want to forget anything today. I really want to touch on all the points that impressed me and all the points that made me disappointed. So this salon, if you are ever in Lisbon and you want to get braids, the salon is in this place that I'm going to place here, and it is most of the girls are from Cabo Verde, right? From Cabo Verde, and they really can braid. They braid really nice. So I have a list here, not very long, of things that I liked and things that I disliked. The first thing I liked was that the salon was kept clean. So the girls made an effort to clean the area. You know, it's a braid, they're using braids and extension, but the area was quite clean. So I was very impressed with that. There's some amount of structure, there's a lot of structure. So they have a booking system. You know, there's structure in the salon. You can see it's managed well. I like the way they braid. Honestly, I have very sensitive scalp and I don't have any pain at the moment. So I really appreciate that. I love how they braid. The salon is well equipped with everything. So you can wash your hair, you can, yeah, everything that you need to prepare your hair for braiding. You can treat your hair, and it's one salon, but they have two different sections, and they have two different sections in two different buildings. So one is they're caring for Afro-textured hair, and the other one is the braiding. So kind of like what my salon is doing is Afro-textured hair and hair braiding. So that's the same concept, but they're just bigger, obviously. Another thing I liked was that the girls were very friendly, even though we have a language barrier. So I couldn't talk, none of them spoke English, I don't speak Portuguese, but they were friendly and they tried to assist me anyhow, you know, they were nice. Okay, so my dislikes. Unfortunately, I have dislikes. What I didn't like is that I didn't feel like my hair was properly treated before it was styled. But you see, she was blow drying my hair and basically just didn't really care about the hair, because apparently when they blow dry the hair, the straighter the hair, the nicer it behaves more in the braid, you know, like you don't see anything, everything is laid. And so they want the hair to be straight. So she was just blow drying my hair with a really high heat blow dryer and was just pulling the comb through it. And then she took a brush and she was pulling the brush, and then she took a fine teeth comb and was pulling it because she wants to get it very straight. I didn't like that. I think that's a cultural thing. That's how they do it. That's how they know how to do it, and that's how they. Another dislike I had at the salon, I don't know if it's to call it a dislike or it's an experience. Okay, so there was a lot of 5 things going on. A lot of noise, there was a lot of food, there was a lot of loud talking, and there was a lot of telephone talking. It's okay, that's 4 things. I didn't like that. I think that's unprofessional, but to each his own. And I kind of like the experience, because the only problem is I couldn't understand what they were saying, because they were speaking Cape Verde or Portuguese. I don't even know which one they were speaking, so I couldn't understand what they were saying. So that got me even more annoyed. But it was not, and like, you know, there are just certain things that could be refined in the salon, and I would recommend the salon, to be honest. I love my hair, I loved my stylist, how she took care of me. I needed water and they went to buy water for me. So I really like the service there and the structure that they have and stuff. It's just that the girls need to be trained a little bit. You know, they need to be trained a bit on how the customer, kind of customer service, and how to be a little bit more refined, you know, a little bit more professional. My aim is to become better at my craft. So this is why I sit in another person's seat, another stylist seat, because I want to learn from them and I want to share with them. But I learn also like the techniques that they use and the gel that they use, you know. I'm not copying because I have my own style, but I learned something new. Another thing I would take away is the structure that they have. It's a really cool structure that you can book online. You can book, probably not online, but you can just WhatsApp them and make your booking. It's nice and easy. They give you a time, you go in, somebody's ready to do your hair. I like that, and I like that the place was clean. Yes, so that's my day. I thought I invited you on the journey, so you deserve a full report of how it went. And all in all, the experience was good. The bus drivers were helpful. I basically Googled the address of the place, and Google was very helpful as well. Google told me where to go, which bus to take. So if you're leaving Lisbon, I don't know where in Lisbon, but in the center, you take the 711 bus, and it takes you right there. The last stop, you get off, and then you walk down to the salon. It's really not hard. It's my first time in Lisbon. I've never been here, and I took the chance. I hope you enjoy this and take a lesson from my book. Oh, and I want to tell you this as well. Really, when you go to get your hair braided, people have different perceptions of braids and what they braid their hair for. I braid my hair for growth, for protective styles. So I want to leave my hair in for like a month and not disturb it, and then hope for some growth. And you know, other people just do it for the style, and that will show in the way how they prepare the hair for braiding. So I think this salon is really for the style. It's not necessarily for them for protective and whatever. So they do anything to your hair before, and then they put the braids on. I would recommend, please ask your stylist their method of preparing the hair before they braid the hair. If you're gonna braid your hair, if you're gonna do it for protective style, please find out from the stylist what's their method of preparation before they braid the hair. Because obviously you need to moisturize your hair, you need to make sure it's clean, you know, with oil and stuff, and all the good things that you use to moisturize your hair. And for me, they washed it. Luckily, I brought my own leave-in conditioner, and I brought my leave-in conditioner, and I brought my Jamaican castor oil, and I put it in there. And then they put all that high heat on my hair, so that made extra smoke. So, oh yeah, that wasn't really good. Okay guys, so I think this is where this vlog is gonna finish. Thank you for joining me. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk soon. Tomorrow we're leaving for, when you watch this, we'll probably be there already, or probably preparing to leave. But we're going down to the Algarve coast in the south, and I'm looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to that. This was the exploration part of our holiday, and that's gonna be the relaxation part of our holiday. So look out for that video, it's coming. And I don't think I'll be doing anything to my hair. I might do like a wash, because we're there for 10 days, so I need to do a wash and moisturize. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share, to subscribe to the channel, and share the content with someone who may need it. Bye. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.